Hello and welcome to Tbilisi, Georgia. In today's video, I would like to share how to exchange money safely in Tbilisi. So follow me and learn more. To start with, Georgia has its own currency called Georgian lari, the same to gel in the international currency market. So it's quite uneasy to find this currency in your home country, so you need to convert. One of the most optimal way is to bring USD or Euro and locally convert them in Tbilisi, rather than trying purchasing Georgian lari abroad. One of the best spots to exchange money in Tbilisi are local money exchange offices. Official rate is announced and regulated by National Bank of Georgia, and it's a template for every currency spot. Keep in mind that money exchange offices are also available at Tbilisi airport, but you have to be careful when choosing the correct money exchange office with the best rates. More about money exchange in Tbilisi airport you can find in our video. One of the best area in central part of Tbilisi city to convert money is near Rustaveli Avenue, opposite side of Rustaveli metro station, and here you can find Akhvlediani street. There's better rates compared to other places and it's worth to visit. One of the best areas to convert money in Tbilisi are money exchange offices at Saburtalo area at Kazbegi street, because they have the better rates in the city. I would advise to avoid money exchange in very touristic parts of Tbilisi city, because the rates are not the best one. And also, first thing what you have to do is to ask if they have any commissions. Make sure also that you know all the conditions before you make any operation. Double check this amount that to be received, and only after that make any operation. If you are afraid of receiving fake banknotes, I'm glad to share that it's not happening in Georgia, but anyway, you have to be very careful and avoid money exchanging from the stranger in the street. Keep in mind that rates at Didube bus station are also good in case you are going to use public transport and buses for countryside areas of Georgia. Please note that in Tbilisi and in other cities, hotels, restaurants and many other places widely accept credit cards, but for countryside visits you will definitely need some local amount of cash with you. In outside parts of Tbilisi city, the rates are not so good, and there could be some limited options for money exchanges as well. ATMs are also widely available in everywhere in all parts of Georgia, but keep in mind that you should expect some extra commissions of the service. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you find it helpful with the information. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next videos. Bye!